Ever wondered how beavers turn a simple stream into a powerful, eco-friendly dam? Beavers are nature's master engineers. With just their teeth and paws, they chop down trees and stack branches to build sturdy dams that transform tiny streams into thriving ponds. These dams don't just create homes for beavers. They support entire ecosystems by controlling water flow, preventing floods, and even creating habitats for fish, birds, and plants. Their construction technique balances natural water levels perfectly, showing us that the tiniest builders can have the biggest impact on the environment. What do you find most amazing about how beavers build their dams? Share your thoughts below.